Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these miniature baskets. They are just so easy and quick to make, and you can create different colored baskets to fit your tiny treasures. I'm working on a miniature bakery, so I will use them to hold the tiny breads. But you can fill them with laundry room supplies, books, nursery room supplies, or whatever you need. Now let's get started. I'm going to use this brand cotton yarn that is 100% cotton, but you can go with any amigurumi yarn that you have at home. I will use this as a stitch marker and I will go with 1.6 mm crochet hook for the whole project. We are going to start from the bottom of the basket. I'm going to use brown color. You can use any color you want. To start, we are going to make a magic ring. After making magic ring, make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. After making 6 single crochets into the magic ring, pull the yarn tail to close it. You must position the tail between the two loops and pull the one loop that is closer to you. Then pull the tail. Now I am going to place the stitch marker into the last stitch, and it will indicate the end of each row. Now this is round 1. We are going to make round 2. So in round 2 we are going to make 6 increase. So I am going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. So basically increase means making 2 single crochets into one stitch. So this is one increase. We are going to repeat like this for next 5 times. So that will make a total of 6 increase. We are going to repeat like this until the end of the round. And 2 single crochets in the last stitch where the stitch marker is. I remove the stitch marker and place it in the last stitch. In round 3, we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 6 times. I make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So this is 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 1 time. You must repeat this for 5 more times. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end of the round. Now we finished round 3. We are going to start round 4. We are going to make one single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then one increase in the 3rd stitch. We continue this pattern till the end of the row. One single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Now we finished round 4. For round 5 we are going to crochet only in the 3rd stitches to create this border at the bottom. So this is the front loop, this is the back loop. The 3rd loop is positioned behind those 2 loops. Front, back, 3rd loop. Single crochet into each of the 3rd loops. It is a bit tight and grabbing those 3rd loops is a bit of a challenge, but after we finish that row, it will get again super easy. Just take your time, don't rush. Make one single crochet in each of these 3rd loops. When you reach the end, remove the stitch marker and make the final single crochet into the 3rd loop. Place again the stitch marker. For rounds 6 to 10, we are going to work single crochets all the way. I will meet you at the end of round 10. I am making the final stitches of round 10. I've reached the height of the basket that I need, so now I'm going to make this border at the top. I remove the stitch marker, I will no longer need it. We are going to work a reverse single crochet, also called a crab stitch. This creates a firm twisted cord-like finish. Reverse single crochet is worked just like a regular single crochet stitch but in the opposite direction. Insert your hook into the next stitch to your right. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row, inserting your hook into the next stitch to your right. I've reached the end. I cut the yarn, leaving a tail for sewing. I thread a needle with white ear and turn the basket inside out and pull it through the stitches all the way to the bottom. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Are you willing to try these baskets by yourself? Share in the comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe for more free content. Bye!